457 plan. What is a 457 plan? A 457 plan is a tax advantage retirement savings account plan offered to employees of many state and local government and some non-profit organizations. Like the better known 401k plan in the private sector, 457 plan allows employees to deposit a portion of their pre-tax earnings in an account, reducing the income taxes for the year while postponing the taxes due until the money is withdrawn after they retire. A Roth version of 457 plan, which allows the after-tax contribution, may be allowed at the employer's discretion. There are two main types of 457 plan, the 457B and 457F. The 457B is the most common plan offered to state and local government employees and non-profits. It is a retirement saving plan that offers tax advantages to participants. And 457 Plan F is a plan offered to only highly compensated executives in tax-exempt organizations. It is a supplement to the 457B, and it is essentially a deferred salary plan. There are 5 takeaways you should know. The 457 plan is an IRS-sanctioned tax advantage employee retirement plan. The plan is offered only to public service employees and employees at tax-exempt organizations. Participants are allowed to contribute up to 100% of their salaries up to a dollar limit for the year. The interest and earnings in the account are not taxed until the funds are withdrawn. Exception is the Roth option, if available, in which only post-tax money is deposited. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it, and leave a comment if you desire a longer version of this and more explanation of how to take advantage of this. If I know, or if I will do some research and I will post it for you, just like every other video.